An IV of 50 mLs of D5W containing 55 mcg of a drug is infusing over a 30-minute period. The order is BID, the child weighs 14.9 kilograms, and the dosage range is 6 to 8 mcg per kilogram per day. So the first thing they want us to do is find the dosage range per day. So I need to start with the weight. I don't need to divide the 14.9 by 2.2 because it's already in kilograms. So I just need to set that up in a proportion with the 6 to 8 mcg per kilogram. So 6 times 14.9, 8 times 14.9. And if we round to the nearest whole number, we get 89 to 119 mcg per day. So this one, the rate starts out as per day, so it's not per hour. So we do need to be consistent with that. So now they want us to find the daily dosage ordered, and this is where we have to decide if the pump rate is provided or not. And the pump rate is given in mLs per hour, and I do not see it here. So the pump rate is not provided. So this question is like the second option. So we need to find the powder drug and decide whether or not to multiply or divide. So the powder drug is the 55 mcg. So again, this is coming from the solution strength of 55 mcg over 50 mLs. And every other chapter in this course, we always use these together as the strength in the proportion. But for this chapter, we just take the powder drug part of it, and we want to use that. So they want to know the daily dosage ordered. So this tells us that the order is BID, which means we need to multiply this by 2. And we get 110 mcg per day. You'll notice that it did say that the drug was infusing over a 30-minute period, but we actually don't care about that because they're asking for the daily dosage ordered, and they're telling us that it's BID, so that's twice a day. So for the math, we actually don't use the 30 minutes here. Okay, so then to make our assessment, the 110 is within our range. So this would be safe.